Are you seeing the Mfc71 Unicode DLL error during execution? Your system packages might be corrupted. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore your runtime stability. Before we start the Mfc71 Unicode configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This DLL file is the Unicode version of the MFC 7.1 library. It enables legacy applications to display and process international character sets, ensuring proper compatibility for software sold in global Windows markets. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The recommended solution is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Visit Microsoft's site, download the Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64, and install them to repair the missing file. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mfc71 Unicode file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Please use caution. Replacing the Mfc71 Unicode DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to the Mfc71 Unicode. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix the Mfc71 Unicode. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.